What's up everybody, it's your boy Mod. Welcome to another episode of IK7 Garage. Today we will be going over the install of my E92 M3 OEM headlights. I swapped them out from the aftermarket ones that I had like I always wanted to. At this point, I've already swapped out the OEM headlights into the car. I forgot to record all the other stuff. There was a few things going on. So I'm gonna start by showing you where the headlights are at right now. They need some restoration and sort of go over some of the bumper work that we had to do and things that were messed up. All right, so this is how the car looks now. It's looking gorgeous. Finally looks like an OEM E92 M3 car. Looks right now. Something about it just looks legit. I feel like before it just didn't look legit. However, the guy who traded me with the lights was really happy. They looked really good on his car. So you can see over here the gap between the fender and the hood. The reason being there's a bracket that goes on from the headlight to the fender. Basically holds this part upright, kind of helps it stay into position. That bracket, unfortunately, on the fender was kind of bent because I think this car was previously hit on this fender. If you go far away, or maybe even in this video, you can see the shade difference between the fender and the hood. It's nothing crazily noticeable, but I kind of noticed it. And then seeing this headlight sag, after I took them off, I saw the bracket kind of bent. So we hammered it back in pretty much with a rubber mallet. Now with this bumper, there actually is a bracket right here behind basically the screw point. But for now, I am really happy with how the car looks. It started looking very OEM, you know, like OEM plus. Now the thing with the headlights is they're not in the best condition. So you can see there's haze over here, and there's like micro marring all over the headlight, but nothing that can't be fixed. So quick update on the headlight restoration process. This is the one currently with the 3000 grit sandpaper. So pretty much just left to compound it or polish it with the cutting compound. And this is the one that is done. Final product looks really, really good. I'm sure it's not perfect. I'm sure it's a little hazy, maybe not on camera. I mean, even to the naked eye, it looks pretty good. I am pretty happy with the outcome and the results. And the car is looking beautiful, almost like it's got some eyelashes around it. But yeah, on the other side, of course, you can see that it is fully hazy over here right now. With the drill bit, it was really hard to actually get around to the top and then towards that corner. And you know, of course, the way the headlight is shaped, it's more so for like the rounder headlights. But yeah, this one right here, I had to basically take the pad off and then use or scrub it manually around here and then over there as well. But nevertheless, more than happy with it right now. Looking good. All right, this is the final product here. Looking very OEM now. Oof. Wow, that really changes the car. And then we're also gonna put in the LUX LED bulbs and see how those look. All right, so we're doing the LUX LED bulbs on here. I popped this cover off. It was snapped into place. Basically, you just take the screwdriver and then you twist it. So this tab comes out of this little hole right here. Same thing for here. You just sort of twist it and then it pops out of the hole and the tab's released and then this lifts up so the whole thing comes off. So apparently this should be really easy. It's supposedly this bulb right here that we're gonna change. So I'll push it like down towards the right. There we go. Kind of got loose right there. Probably shouldn't be touching it in my fingers, but that's fine. Just go ahead and replace it. All right, so these are the LUX LED lights. Shout out to my boy Hussein for sending them out. Let's see what's in here. So let me take these out real quick. All right, let's go. Let's pop this sucker back in. Let's do it. So I popped it off the little connector here. You just pull on these two tabs and then pull the bulb out and then boom, comes right out like that. we're gonna take this basically and put the connector on that mouth right there, and then shove this back into the slot. All right, I think we got it in there. Yep. All right, so I've got it in there. See how it looks? Woo. Let's go. From Boof M3 to Dope M3 right there. Very nice. Wow, that looks sick. Woo. Finally looks like a clean E92. All right, we switched them from the yellows. Let's check it out. Hopefully they turn on when I unlock the car. Didn't turn on. I'm gonna manually turn them on. Hold on. What are you laughing at, huh? You're funny. Let's see how this works. All right. Okay. Go here for a second. And boom. Woo! Damn, it looks cold. Sheesh. Oh yeah, much better. Damn. It's like a nice M3 now. Man, I love this car. God, finally! Dream has come true! Dream has finally come true! You guys don't know how long I've been waiting for this day. I just wanted the E92 M3 and the M6 to run together, like, finally! It's been 2 years the M6 has been dead and the E92 looks so good now.